Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use coupons code on Allchinabuy. So guys, what you have to do, log in your account, and after that go to my balance, and after that guys, what you have to do, click wallet and click coupons. As you can see here, you find here guys different coupons and discount just for this as you can see here. Just click view details and you find this reference of this coupon codes. You find here different coupon codes guys, 70% and 150 and 240. And if you have coupons guys, just click this option, I have this coupon, and enter your coupon code and redeem, and you will see on your dashboard. This is guys how you can do. If you have any problems on your coupons, just click, you can contact support team on Discord or on the site and you will solve your problem with coupons. So guys, I have this video for you. I have available 80 coupons guys you can use easily without any problems. Thanks guys for watching this video.